Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody, let's take a look again at euro currencies. So you could see that in general market stands in the same range it was standing yesterday. We don't have a lot of clarity, but in general the stubborn standing near the resistance, if you remember 109.30 is a fib level, although as we said yesterday it has been mostly broken with a spike to the upside and daily overbought. The fact that market shows no reaction and stands tight, it confirms overall bullish sentiment in the market, and the market is preparing for a possible upward action. Still, as we talked about yesterday, on possible deeper retracement here, well, at least we have some patterns to keep an eye on that could bring some clarity concerning this possible retracement. If you take a look at the dollar index, it shows upper continuation here, it's moving higher, showing deeper retracement. It is definitely retracement just because we don't have any signs something of this kind, right? So it's gradual, slow, as you can see, it's very small candles, upward action, which is typical for retracement. So overall context remains the same, and once the retracement will be over, theoretical, we should get some continuation of this previous trend, as on the euro currency, as on the dollar index as well. So on euro currency in particular, levels are stand the same that we talked about. So supposedly if we will get retracement, the same area around on average 108.35 inside of this confluence, this will be our primary object to watch for. But today we have to keep an eye on this situation on the hourly chart. Let's take a look. Here a few interesting moments exist. At first glance we have clear signs of the hand and shoulders, which suggests some kind of the A, B, C top D pattern, right, and could lead us precisely to an area around 108.40, 108.35 if we'll get this. At the same time, overall performance here, this hand and shoulders, and the slope of the ride on the slope of the head, it's a bit weak for bearish pattern. It seems a bit too slow and gradual, and well, I have some feeling of that this action is a bit too slow for the hand shoulders pattern. I'm not sure if this pattern definitely will work, but this is just some sentiment, and we just need to keep an eye on the two moments. If you still would like to take the short position, scalp short, you're trading on the intraday charts, I would suggest that in the current circumstances, when you have this shape of the hand and shoulders, it's not definitely perfect. It would be better to take the position as close to invalidation point as possible. And I would consider 109.55 area. This will be XOP with this ABCD pattern. Once it will be completed, market will be at agreement resistance with a 50% level on the euro currency. Besides, we will get a kind of the godless triple to sell in this case. If even hand shoulders will not work, but minor bounce here down from this target, down from this resistance, will let you to move stops to the break even and protect your position. Second advantage of this level is that you could place stop slightly above this area. You do not need to hide it right there, because if market will not start downward action with these hand shoulders down from here, probably hand shoulders will fail, and it will become the clearer sign that market is ready to keep going higher. This correspondingly, for those who are searching chance for taking long position, you have to wait for opposite things. While the hand shoulders is valid and could work, you do nothing and see. If hand shoulders starts working, we are getting this A, B, C, D pattern to the downside. That's great, because we could return back to the idea of the taking long position later from predefined level at better price. So we will consider it. If by some reasons market starts showing upward action, acceleration, breaking this area to the upside, it means that no downside retracement will happen. So market will remain in this consolidation and will try to form something that could let us to challenge the top and trying to break it to the upside. One of the most probable patterns that are forming on the ruins of the hand and shoulders, in 90% this is a butterfly. It means that this might be left wing of the butterfly with the breakout to the upside. This invalidation point of the hand shoulders and the top of the right arm. Then some retracement can happen, which will become the right wing, and in this case you could try to use it for taking the long position. So relatively simple plan. Just keep watching, be careful, watching closely for the market dynamic here, what will happen around particularly this level. So that in 2 words that I intend to keep an eye on in the nearest couple of sessions and see what will happen.